Okay, so easiest way of doing 3D coordinates is actually talking it through. They're only a single mark, so it's literally writing out the coordinate that gives you the answer, nothing else. So coordinates, we've seen them in 2D. You always start from the origin, and it's no different for 3D here. So your origin, if we look at our axis, our origin is right here in that corner. Your x-axis goes out from your origin along the way to the right. Your y-axis goes up the way. And then your z-axis, it's like it sort of comes out of the page. That's what makes it a 3D coordinate. So we have a diagram here. It shows a cuboid drawn on a 3D grid, which we've just talked about. And we have some more information. C has coordinates 5, 2, 3. So 5 is your x coordinate, 2 is your y coordinate, and 3 is your z coordinate. So starting off from your origin, it means that C is 5 along that x-axis. So from your origin out to the edge of this cuboid, that's going to be 5 units. Your y, it's going to be 2 up the way. So going from there up the way, it's going to be 2 units. And then your z comes out towards us, and that's going to be 3 units. So that's where you get your 5 along, 2 up, and then 3 out the way. And that'll help us find all our other coordinates as well. So coordinate A. So again, start at your origin. So coordinate A, starting at your origin here, well, it's not along the x-axis at all, otherwise we're going away from A, so it's 0 along our x-axis. So 0 along our x-axis. Y-axis, we're coming up again, so it's going to be the exact same amount of units up the way. It's a cuboid, so that's going to be 2 units up. And then z-axis, well, it's not coming out at all, it's right lying on that y-axis, so it's going to be 0 along your z. So your A coordinate is 0, 2, 0, which you can fill in. Okay, so the next coordinate we're looking for is our coordinate of the point F. So our F is out at the front right-hand corner here. Again, starting at your origin. So starting at your origin, we go along our x-axis first, and our F is going to be 5 units along that x-axis. It is 5 units along the way there. Then our y-axis, well, your F isn't coming up that cuboid at all, it's at the bottom there, so it's 0 up our y-axis. So notice that. So 5 along your x-axis, 0 up your y-axis, because you're not needing to go up. And then your z-axis, how much it comes out, well, you're 5 along your x, 0 up your y, and we're going to be coming 3 along our z. So it's going to be 5, 0, 3. All in a bracket with a comma between each one. Okay, and then our last coordinate that we're looking for. So the coordinate H is the midpoint of FG. So let's go find FG here. So H is going to be here, midpoint of FG, and we're going to write down the coordinates of H. Okay, so again, start at your origin. How far along our x-axis are we? Well, we're only going to go halfway along our x-axis, so half of 5, we're going to be 2.5 along. So our x-coordinate is going to be 2.5. Our y-coordinate, again, we're not coming up the way, it's at the bottom of that cuboid, so there's 0 up your y-axis, so 0. And then our z-axis, we're coming 3 out again, so it's going to be 3. So 2.5, 0, oh, lost my comma, 0, 3. And that's going to be your coordinates of your point H. So it's going to be the same for the others. I'll leave you with that one to see how you get on with it. I'll finish that recording there. Let me know how you get on.